come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
पूनावाला, उनके पास फेस है, आपके पास सिर्फ टी शर्ट है. Please respond to the litany of charges made by Jasmine Shah.
First time I'm seeing what kind of face that the sitting CM is not even being projected as the next CM. In fact, she is being called a dummy or a temporary CM. So this is the confidence in the current phase they have. Anyways, having said that, let me start on what we have done on Delhi for the last 10 years to make it a world-class city. 60,000 crore worth of highways. Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Meerut, Delhi, Jaipur, Eastern, Western, Peripheral Expressway, because of which 40,000 trucks go out of Delhi. Metro, fourth phase, 13,000 crores have been given by us. FAME electric buses, 400 buses given by us. 8,000 crore for hospitals. Central government hospitals are already here. 8,000 crore for Yamuna cleaning, which they splurged and did not use for cleaning of Yamuna. 1,000 crore on Delhi government. 3,000 crore universities. 3,700 crores for pensions. Free ration to 72 lakh people. National War Memorial, Ambedkar Memorial, and many other such things that have been done for Delhi. But you know, I've got these binoculars, Navika, because since Mr. Jasmine Shah said that they've built a world-class hospital, today I only want to see those 20 new hospitals promised in 2015 with the names. He said that we've built a world-class education system. Those 20 new universities with the names, I hope he will quote to me. 500 new schools, abhi ek classroom ginwate hain. By the way, inka health model itna acha hai ki Atishi, while talking to another channel's journalist, said that I don't go to Mohalla clinic, but one person, one Mr. I'm not taking his full name, Mr. Gupta went for appointment. He wanted a MRI scan. You know kab ki date mili hai? 2026. इसकी डेट मिली है. This is world class. There are 6 CT scan machines for 3 crore people. Delhi High Court came down hard, but forget it. You know what I could see in my binoculars? Last 20 seconds, I could see a gold-plated Toto toilet. When people of Delhi wanted a house, I could see 6 crore ka flooring. I could see 1 crore ka curtains. You only exposed it Sheesh Mahal. You remember, Navika ji? I could see that 63 lakh rupees on a kitchen. Oh, I could see 64 lakh rupees on television sets. I could see 20 lakh rupee TV console. Modi ji gave 30,000 EWS flats. You know, one flat cost 1.74 lakh rupees. They spent approximately 50 crores on one Sheesh Mahal for Sultan Kejriwal, and Modi ji built houses for the poor. That is the difference. And finally, I'm just asking one thing. Baki sab to chhod dijiye. This is the affidavit of Arvind Kejriwal 2013. मैं अपने अनावश्यक सुरक्षा नहीं लूंगा. सुरक्षा बल नेताओं के लिए होती है. मैं बड़ा बंगला नहीं लूंगा. Now I ask only one question of Jasmine Shah. Is this affidavit fake? Did he not spend this huge amount? And yesterday Jasmine Shah was lying about PM residence being built for 2,700 crores. I exposed him that no such approval has been given for PM residence, even in the Central Vista project. So today, Jasmine Shah, I only ask you two questions. Please, you answer in your turn. Madam, sir, you just one second. Navika, I'll reiterate 10 seconds में. Please tell me 2013 affidavit से बदले क्यों? 20 नए hospitals के नाम, 20 नए आपके universities के नाम.
Jasmine Shah, counter.
Navika, you saw very clearly that on the one responsibility that people of Delhi give to BJP, even their spokespeople are silent. They have no answer as to why has Delhi become to a hellhole of crime where not women are safe. Let me finish. You know, it's my turn now. You can answer in your turn.
Okay.
No women are safe. No senior citizens are safe. Every day, 15 children are being kidnapped from the streets of Delhi. The conviction rates for crimes against women in Delhi is 2%. Mind you, 98 people go scot-free, only 2% is the conviction rate. So that's the harsh reality. और ये जो आंकड़े लेके आए ये केवल कागजी आंकड़े हैं. 60,000 खर्च कर लिया, यहाँ खर्च कर लिया. Go and walk in the streets of Delhi.
तो
People will tell you that Modi ji ने क्या
किया. Now, आपने जो 20 universities हैं वो, why don't you give us the names of those?
No, I will tell you, we have built, it is undisputed. In Delhi, there were 24,000 classrooms when Aam Aadmi Party came to power in 2015. In the last 10 years, we have built 22,000 classrooms. And we have built, you know, the amount of university and higher education infrastructure. There were 80,000 university seats in Delhi. Today, they are 1.6 lakh. We have literally doubled on account of health, on education. On healthcare, I will tell you. There were 9,000.
Healthcare, you asked a question, let him listen.
Please, you cannot interrupt. Navika,
okay.
Also be equal with
last 20 seconds. Yes.
Last 20 seconds and let him say it like to like. हमने हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में सीट डबल करी. यू टेल मी इन सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज व्हाट हैव यू डन. हमने हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स में देयर वर 9,500 बेड्स. टुडे देयर आर 14,000 बेड्स. 50% increment.
Now you have to give me the equal time. Navika, now you have to give me the equal time.
Quick counter.
And Jasmine has to listen. By the way, Navika, law and order comes under center, right? In Delhi. So central elections कब हुए इस देश में? 24 में 7 में से 7 किसको मिला? People of Delhi have already answered on law and order. But even then, look at the lies he says. He said conviction rate is 2%, conviction rate is 23% as per Times of India. Anyways, forget that. That's not the issue today. I asked him what? 20 new hospitals. 1 second, don't interrupt, sir. Sir, don't interrupt. No, Navika, you have to stop him. Navika, you have to stop him. Navika, you have to stop him as well.
Yes.
No, Navika, you have to stop him to be fair. To be fair to BJP.
All right.
Now, Navika, you said that we'll build 500 new schools. That means new schools will come in places where there are no schools. But then you say नहीं अब classroom बना दिए. वो classroom तो toilet classroom थे, किसी को पता नहीं. आप 500 नए ट्रेन बोलो और फिर एक ट्रेन में 500 बोगी जोड़ दो. ये किसको बेवकूफ बना रहे? 20 न्यू हॉस्पिटल्स बोला था साहब. आप बोल रहे कि बेड बढ़ा दिए. और बाय द वे मोदी जी का परफॉर्मेंस देखना है ना तो केंद्र के चुनाव हुए. But for your information, there were 4,500 hospitals in 2014. Today there are 25,000 hospitals. There were 367 medical colleges. There are 700 plus medical colleges. There were 7 AIIMS. There are 23 AIIMS. There are 7 more IITs in this country. There are 50,000 more MBBS seats in this country.
All
so
right.
Please answer the 20 new hospitals.
All right.
Now.
Let me get in.
शीश महल पे मैंने उनको एफिडेविट का पूछा. चुप. एकदम.
Let me get in. I'll come back to you, Jasmine Shah. Take a deep breath. Gentlemen, 5th of February is the polling day. We'll have many such debates. Let's get, to subjects one after another. And let me get in Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, आप तो मुझे बता दो, which side are you on? Are you an alliance partner of Jasmine Shah's party, Aam Aadmi Party? Are you contesting against them? What do you think about the Aam Aadmi Party when Delhi is the context? What do you think about them when, the country is in context? We know. Can you please tell us where is the Congress going and where is your leader, sir?
Okay, let me answer you, Navika. Good evening. First and foremost, if you're short-sighted and myopic, not even binoculars can help you. That's the first scientific medical truth. So if you're short-sighted, my dear friend, even a telescope won't help you. So point number 2, all these rattling of these numbers and statistics like a press release. The truth, Navika, is nobody believes the numbers of this government, whether it's poverty. If you believe the finance minister and the government of India, there is no poverty in this country. There is no unemployment. India's GDP is running at 10%. I mean, this is nothing but smoke screen and hogwash. What is the BJP's contribution? Riots in 2020. They talk of Sheesh Mahal. Maybe true. I don't know. Let that be investigated.
You didn't know?
But I do know that Gautam Adani
Binoculars चाहिए, चश्मा चाहिए या डॉक्टर चाहिए?
Conscience.
Gautam Adani has become the richest man in the world under Mr. Modi. So that is the reality that we cannot ignore. And I hope the people of Delhi are listening to the speeches of a gentleman called Ramesh Bidhuri, who besides making a violent and a vulgar hate speech in parliament against Muslims, is now trying to actually comment on Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
True that. I mean, Ramesh Bidhuri alone is, equal to several self-goals.
May I respond? But Navika, Irfan Ansari called the roads that it will be like Kangana's girl, and he was made a minister. Two
wrongs do not make a right, and you know that better.
No, that only applies to me. It applies to Sanjay Jha also.
Right now, I'm talking about you because you're the national party.
Correct.
Here.
Very good.
In power.
Ramesh Bidhuri apologized and said, मैं खेद प्रकट करता हूँ. इरफान अंसारी ने कुछ किया. प्रियंका जी ने तो मंत्री बना दिया. सुन लीजिए अपनी बात. नहीं, 10 सेकंड सुन लीजिए. No, Navika, you have called me to intervene. I will speak. जहाँ राहुल गांधी गए ना वियतनाम में स्टडी क्लासेस लेने, वो तो बाइनोकुलर्स से दिखने से रहे संजय झा जी. तो वहां पर तो हरीश रावत ने अभी कंफर्म किया कि वो क्या कौन से क्लासेस ले रहे हैं. परंतु मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, राइट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. हु इज गिविंग इशरत जहां टिकट? शी हैज बीन चार्ज बाय द कोर्ट्स. और वो ताहिर हुसैन वाली पार्टी और ये इशरत जहां वाली पार्टी, एक ने जाकर दिलबर नेगी से मुलाकात नहीं की. वन ऑफ देम डिड नॉट गो एंड मीट अंकित शर्मा. अंकित शर्मा और दिलबर नेगी के साथ हम खड़े हैं. ये इशरत जहां और ताहिर हुसैन के साथ खड़े हैं. क्लैरिफिकेशन बहुत आसान है देखना. और संजय झा इशरत जहां के साथ है और मैं दिलबर नेगी के साथ हूं. और दिल्ली वासी तय कर.
All right, so it's all set out. Let me get in.